Good morning, class. In the previous lesson, we have learned about teeth, that it plays a very important role and it helps in smiling, talking, and eating. We have come to know that a baby is born without any teeth, and by the time it is 8 months old, it gets its first tooth. We have two sets of teeth. One is temporary teeth, and we have the permanent teeth. So we have 32 set of permanent teeth. Now today we are going to learn about the structure of a tooth. One tooth, not the whole thing, but one tooth. This white portion that you see is called as crown. So that is what we are going to learn for today. Structure of a tooth. So structure of a teeth, there are three main parts. First one is the crown. Then we have the neck region, then the root region. Inside your teeth, if you cut a tooth in half, the inside would look like this. The part of your tooth that shows is called the crown, the white portion that I had shown you before. And the part of your tooth that is inside, that is in your gum, is called the root region. This whole portion, the white portion till here that we see that is visible, it's the crown. But inside the white portion, if it's cut into half, you have so many regions. First one, in the white portion you have the enamel. Then the inside, that is dentine. You have the pulp. Then you have the gum, the pink one, the gum. The inside you have the cementum or cement, and the last one is the jawbone. Alright, so we will be learning all this thing in detail. So first let us deal with crown, the upper portion. It's a part of the teeth above gum. Almost covering of a crown is the enamel. This enamel is the hardest substance in the body. This enamel. Okay, so the first part of the tooth is the crown. It is above the gum. Part of a teeth between the crown and the root that we have done before. So this is the neck region over here. Crown and the root, we have the neck region. Inside the neck, a cavity is seen, and it is the pulp cavity. Blood vessels and nerve fibers are seen inside the pulp cavity, and tissue of teeth gets nourishment through this blood vessels. Let me show you that then. So where is the neck region now? This is the neck region over here. You have blood vessels and there is a pulp. So this blood vessels provide nourishment. And the last portion that we have is the root. Part of teeth seen inside the gum. So when this is the whole thing, from here, this is the root. Material that fixes teeth to the socket of jawbone is cement. Alright, when we are learning about this, cement, let me show you cement. Alright, so from here till here is the root. Alright, one second class. We have learned about the structure of tooth. The first portion is the crown that is visible. Then this whole region that we have, the small region is the neck. In the neck region, you have the pulp cavity and blood vessels. You can see that clearly. And we have the root, and the root is fixed with the help of cementum or cement. All right. So this is what we are going to learn for today. Today we have learned that structure of teeth. There are three main parts. That's the crown, neck, and the root. All right, the upper portion that is visible, that is the crown, and below portion that we have is the root. All right.